Today I will show you how to make these glitch effects for music videos. So a lot of editors agree that glitch effects are an essential part of a music video. However, a lot of editors don't actually know how to make any good glitch effects. So that's why I'm making this tutorial, so you guys can actually learn the craziest glitch effects in my opinion. But also, if you would like to skip a lot of the manual keyframing and manual making of glitch effects, I do have created a glitch presets pack, which took me over 3 months to create, and it's the exact glitch effects that I use for my edits and music videos, so I definitely recommend to check it out, and I'll have it linked in the description so you can easily check it out. But anyways, let's get into the tutorial. Alright guys, so in After Effects I have a couple of clips of Netspend's music video, and to create a glitch effect, you usually need to press Ctrl Y to make a new adjustment layer, and here is how the philosophy will go. There's a bunch of glitch effects. One of the most popular ways to make a glitch effect is to have the Sapphire plugin. This is not like super important, but if you do have the Sapphire plugin, you can add an effect called STV damage, and this is going to be easily the most popular effect. And with this effect, you just turn off the reception master and you turn up the fast forward amount to quite a lot. I'm not gonna lie, like you can turn up to like 1.6, 1.6440, and then you just go to fast forward details, and here you can like mess around a lot. If you make the band frequency huge, it will have a lot of these bars, but if you make it low, it will have one bar. So a lot of the time you just want to have like switching bars. Like to switch the bars up, you can also change up the band shift and also the band height. So let's just, you can keep it like this, and then you can go one frame forward and you can press Ctrl Shift D, and on this adjustment layer we can change the settings a bit. Like you can make the reception master a bit higher, and you can make the band frequency like a little higher, the band shift a bit higher, and the band height, let's make it way bigger. So this would create a bit more of a basic glitch, I'm not gonna lie. And you can press Ctrl Shift D, and you could actually just stop with the STV damage, and after that you can add a bunch of like different effects from this. So a really cool one is NTCT RS, and this one is gonna have like a bit of a VHS look. So what we just pretty much did is we just glitched it like this. It's nothing serious right now, but the idea is to always try to have different frames while making it look really nice. And I also like to have glitches a lot of the time in a lot of music videos as a transition. So we have pretty much created like one of the most simple glitches ever by just doing this. Like look at this. That's a really simple glitch, but it works. And also with the NTCTRS, like you can do so much. Like you can bump up the composite signal sharpening a lot to make it even more like a VHS. And you can turn the intensity up by a lot to pop out these colors. And you can make the snow pop out more, but we can make that snow anisotropy, whatever that is, a bit lower, so it's gonna look like that. And another cool one is you can go to scale with video size, and here you can turn up the vertical size a lot, and that's gonna bring up a way different glitch. That's gonna be really cool, and this is how it's going to look now. Just a really simple glitch. So another really cool thing you can do is add wave warp. This one is used a lot, and here I like to change the wave type usually to something like smooth noise, but also semicircle works very well. So I'm just gonna turn it up to smooth noise. Here you need to make the wave width like way higher, like let's say 280. The wave height also like really high, and just make sure to make the direction to 0. And now it's going to make this glitch. It's a little bit of a distortion, so that's just gonna make it look really nice. So I can actually take this and press Ctrl D to duplicate it, and we can just keep it a bit for longer, but at the end we can add black and white on top of it, so it also look pretty cool. And also we can add something like as hotspots to make it a bit darker. So I'm gonna make the threshold something like 0.39. As hotspots is a bit too dark here, so maybe we don't need to do it this dark. And then go one frame forward, and here press Ctrl Y, and I wanna add invert. So it would invert this, and press Ctrl Shift D here, delete. So it would have invert for 1 frame. So this is how it looks now. Just a really quick glitch. Looks really cool. And another tactic music video editors use a lot is they like to add stutters in their glitches. So you can just press Ctrl D, duplicate on your clip, like do that on their clip, and press Ctrl Shift D and delete the first part. So now we just have like a bit of a part, and you can move it like 1-2 frames forward. So now it's just going to stutter, and stutters are a really nice way to make the glitch actually really good. But another cool thing you can do, a lot of people are scared to do this because they think it's gonna look bad, but you can actually make it a bit of a freeze frame. So what I mean by that is like we can go a bit forward, and for example, let's press Ctrl Shift D on this frame and right click, go to time, and make it to freeze frame. This is gonna be the goat. So we can stretch this out a bit further. So it's just gonna be a frame that is frozen. It's just going to be on 1 frame. And what you could also do is just even have the same adjustment layer all the time on it, which would also look pretty cool. And this is how it looks now. You can even barely spot it as a freeze frame. Just looks really, really nice as a freeze frame. We could just keep this effect for 2 frames and literally nothing is happening. Like look, that just looks like it stops, but that stop is really, really nice for a glitch. But yeah, the manual way to make this effect does take a long time, I'm not gonna lie. Like you need to figure a bunch of things out and you might just end up wasting a long time. So what you can do is uncheck all of these glitch effects for now, and I want to show you a really fast way to make glitches for music videos. So what you can do is press Ctrl+Y again, but this time we're going to go to animation presets, user presets, and I absolutely love to use my glitch presets pack for this. So if you actually have my glitch presets pack, you will have over 30 glitch effects instantly that you can just drag and drop. So for example, like let's just drag and drop glitch 1, and glitch 1 makes it look like this. That looks really good. As you can tell, you've probably seen this effect in music videos because this is a really popular effect, and yeah, that is just looking absolutely amazing. It's like a VHS glitch, and it just I love how it looks. Like if you want to make it look even a bit more like a VHS, you could go to the quality, make it to something like third, and yeah, that's gonna make it like even more of a VHS effect. But you don't really have to do that because I already made it like a VHS glitch. And I mean, this is super easy. Like you can just take, for example, glitch 10, just drag and drop it, and you will instantly have it. So this is how the glitch 10 looks like. I also have, you see the darkness at the end. You can cut these glitches up, by the way, to end them a bit faster if you want. Like I made it so you could easily customize these glitches as well. So let's just cut it, for example, right here. So now what would happen is it would end quicker and it would look really nice, just like that. There are just so many different variations you can do. I have different variations like glitch 2. So glitch 2 is a bit of a different type of a glitch, and then this one works really well when you add it with other types of glitches. So for example, we can turn back on all of the other adjustment layers, and this should look actually really nice. So this is how it looks combined with the other glitches. I mean, as you can see, that is absolutely crazy. You can actually put it below everything and it will also look really good. So let's just see how that looks. Yeah, that is looking absolutely crazy. Super quick to add, and you just get that crazy result. I mean, I'm just gonna stop adding these glitches because there's plenty of options that you can mess around with. And if you would like to check out the glitch presets pack, I'll have it linked in the description, and you can also use code POVICAS to save $5 off on the glitch presets pack. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you would like to learn how to make other glitch effects, then I'll have a video pop up right here on the screen, well, somewhere here on the screen. But anyways guys, yeah, have a great day, see ya!